Recently, the XPeng P7 has just been launched, so I wanted to see how it actually performs. From the perspective of exterior design, it seems quite different from most common cars, with its own characteristics. Some people think this design feels futuristic and technological, but I don't think so, as it lacks design highlights. If some aerodynamic elements or spatial structural changes were added, it would be more appealing. The trunk capacity is larger than I expected, especially its depth. The official claimed capacity is 575 liters, and when the rear seats are folded down, it becomes 1,929 liters. Additionally, there is a large storage space under the trunk cover, and the front trunk also has a considerable storage area. The overall paintwork, craftsmanship, and materials can only be described as average, so it feels unique only in appearance. The vehicle's system is clear and smooth without lag, and the voice assistant is very useful. It can be activated both inside and outside the car. The seats are moderately firm and soft, and the leather feels supple. The rear seat space is quite spacious. At my height of 175 centimeters, there's still over 20 centimeters of knee room. The panoramic sunroof might expose the interior to sunlight during hot summer days.
走最左侧车道，即将在红绿灯左转。左转，进入金海路。
The steering is precise, and the steering wheel feels great, but on bumpy roads, the car noticeably shakes inside. I'm not sure if this is an isolated case or a common phenomenon.
您看要不要试一下底盘的调教？如果说感受一下底盘的话，我就带你去走点颠簸路，当然感受一下。
哪里可以？
你前面右转吧，右转那条路还比较颠簸。你感受一下它的这个底盘反馈的效果，还是很不错的。
整个感觉我感觉比小米不是比那个阿维塔的底盘要紧绷一点。
对，很紧凑，你可以直接转都没关系的。哦，没车子。
The chassis is very stable, with no extra vibrations when driving over bumpy roads.
您已驶入新路线，新路线用时接近，途经新兴路，沿当前道路继续行驶1.7公里。
左转那条路还是比较颠簸。
这车充电大概充多久？
这个是800伏的，配的5色电池，最快的话10分钟能够充到400多公里。这条路相对安全。
您已偏航，200米后右转，走右侧车道，200米后在道路尽头右转。走右侧车道，即将在道路尽头右转。右转，进入黄埔路。
The 3.4 second 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration gives a strong sense of thrust, and the braking is very linear, easily stopping the vehicle.
刚才好像只到了100左右。
Unfortunately, I haven't had the chance to experience the autonomous driving feature yet, but it is reportedly on the same level as Avatar's intelligent driving system.
你包括说在行驶的过程中，其实这个车的静谧性效果还是做得不错的。它前面都是这种双层的。
路噪好像也还好。
对，因为 P7 的话，毕竟在小鹏的定位是属于那种旗舰型的车型。
500米后掉头，前方红绿灯路口直行。
到前面那个路口可以直接上去。
驶，请注意周围环境安全。
The automatic parking feature is very practical, accurately parking into the designated spot once instructed. Overall, the XPeng P7 gives me the impression that its acceleration and braking performance are excellent, and its chassis and suspension system are solid. The rear space is spacious, but the shortcomings are also obvious, such as the noticeable shaking inside the car when driving over bumpy roads. My final score for it is 7.8 out of 10.